You are asking yourself how to get better prompts in Midjourney. Don't look any further because this is the incredible Midjourney AI tutorial. By the end of this short video, you will know everything you have to know to make your AI artwork with Midjourney really professional. Don't tell me that's not awesome. So how do you get high quality images from Midjourney? So in this example, I made it myself to simple. That's why the results looks quite boring. But now comes the tool that will change your prompting life in Midjourney forever. Are you ready? You might have already heard about it. This awesome artificial intelligence tool is called Midjourney Styles and Keywords, is on GitHub, and is completely free. The link is, like always, in the description. Do you see how many different options you have? Like themes, designs, or even materials. Everything you can do in Midjourney is basically defined here. Let me create with you an example. So I really like this fever dream style. So I go to Midjourney, but first I want to check out on our new tool how I can define the strength of my keyword. This option can be found under keyword weight. Up here, you can see how you need to prompt it in Midjourney to get good results. So my object keyword is my artificial intelligence, Einstein. I put a weight of 2 on it. My fever dream style in Midjourney is standardized on number 1, which is why I didn't write anything there. Lastly, I put a quite small weight of only 0.5 on my backlight since I didn't want it to be too strong. Are you ready for my result? Alright, here it is. That's awesome, right? I mean, you can even compare the old one with the new one. And that's literally 0.001% of the prompts you can do in Midjourney. You can do it as difficult as you want. Let's have a look at another cool Midjourney prompt parameter. I didn't like that there were so many gray color tones in my Midjourney AI artwork. So I had a look at the no parameter section. In this section, you can define what you don't want to be in your Midjourney generated picture. Simply do your normal prompt and add the Midjourney parameter at the end. In my case, that looks like this. And the results are pictures that don't have any gray tone in them. I bet you can already see that this tool really helps get better prompts in Midjourney, but the best is yet to come. This tool helps you with the difficult question what aspect ratio you should use in your prompts so you have the perfect image size and resolution. Simply put the aspect ratio parameter behind your AI artwork prompt to give it the right image size. You can find a lot of examples for the aspect ratio in the tool. I know that was already a lot of information, but if you stick with me until the end, I will give you one more awesome tip and one recommendation that will totally change your prompting experience in Midjourney. You are still here. Awesome. I really want to show you quickly the quality parameter that can make the quality of your artificial intelligence artwork so much better. So how do you get high quality images from Midjourney? Simply type the quality parameter after your prompt. The standard parameter is set at 1. If you want really high quality, you can put the parameter up to 5, but this might take a while to generate your high quality AI artwork. Before I give my final rating from 1 to 10 for the tool, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, leave a comment so the YouTube algorithm can push my video. So, this tool helped me insanely much to get better at prompting for Midjourney, and the fact that it is completely free is just insane. That's why I give this tool a 10 out of 10. So, as promised, one more recommendation: if you want to get better at prompting, also check out the homepage, Learn Prompting. I will put the link in the description. We'll see you in the next video.